So good morning. Today is my last day. Oh my god. Last day of vacation. Tomorrow I'm going back to work. No, oh my goodness. And tomorrow is also the first day of school for the kids. Life. I'm gonna prepare the milk of the kids. If you're wondering, why do they still have to drink in a bottle? Actually, it was also my decision to allow them to still drink in a milk bottle. Okay, don't want them to leave drinking milk ba? Tagak ang water. I feel like if they're gonna drink their milk in the glass, they will stop drinking milk altogether. But actually, I tried. We put the milk in a glass na, but they still prefer to have it in the bottle. So every time we travel, we always bring our bottles with us. Morning lang man sad sila mag-drink og milk. Sayangan ko ba? I feel like it's sayang if they don't drink milk anymore growing up. Although they are already 5 and 6 years old. Almost 7 na ganit si Noah. They did not like it if they're gonna drink in the glass. They still requested for the bottle. They would say, "Oh, where's my milk in the bottle, mama?" Wa sila na anad. Di sad sila gusto magkuan siguro. I don't know what's the feeling. I haven't asked them why they didn't like it to be in the in a glass. Nawala sad na ko gipugos. Kaya basig mag-stop lagi altogether drinking water ba? Drinking milk. Water, they can drink out of their bottles, water bottles, and water drinking bottle ba nga kanang balo nila sa school or in a glass. They can do that very well. Pero I forgot to warm this water pa di ay in the microwave. Kaya dili matunaw ang powdered milk kaayo ay if dili warm ang water. Siguro bugno di kaayo, grabe ka bugno kay igang man ang world karon. So right now the sun is up. The weather is good. Today is a Sunday, no? What are our plans for today? I'm gonna prepare na their clothes na lang for the whole week. Because the things that I bought for them, katong mga joggers, mga inana, di pa to nila masuot kaayo karon because ito nila masuot karon kay it's still kuan pa man, summer pa ba, igangan unya lowa, most especially kay singtanon kaayo. And for Sofia, dito naman sila baya sa school magstay. I mean sa kindergarten magstay. Siguro more comfortable clothes nga kuan sa may giaignan. It's very difficult no when you have kanang a lot of different languages ba nga sometimes kung asa ka mas comfortable choosing the words ba kung unsay mong usual nga gakagamit, then it's difficult to translate in the brain. It's loading. Giaignet, haom, fitting for that weather. So yeah, humana man di ay. Taga na siya sa kuan. Anyway, what are our plans for today? Sunday here in Germany means to stay at home. Their malls are closed. I think some restaurants are open, but even the shops are closed. I don't know, in some areas, siguro in touristy areas, na siguro gamay nga open, but here in our area, wala gyud. I know of a place na mark sa Dresden siguro, o their museum is open on a Sunday and closed on a Monday siguro. Not quite sure, pero basta na open on Sundays, but only a few kay kuan because of their kuan high pag give og high value sa ilahang rest day, and dako ang bayad if you work on a Sunday, just like ours in the nursing home ba. We're open on a Sunday, daghan among visitors on a Sunday because the relatives, the kids of the elderly kay kuan walay work. So we expect a big volume of visitors on weekends. What else pa man oy? I'm still gonna think of what we're gonna eat. I'm gonna prepare food. Ay, kanang balon for Noah. This is Noah's lunchbox. Dako kay no? Mas dako pa sa kung now. My husband said na lisod man na siya limpyuhan oy. So I ordered something from Amazon. Ugma pa sir tumuabot. But we're gonna try to make use of this. Diba? Pero ang among balon sa iya tomorrow is just hot dog in a bun. We're gonna do the toast bread pa ba? With Nutella. And then saging, banana. Anyway, it's just a dry run of how it's gonna be. We'll just put Oreos and mamon as well. Kana lang siguro. Then tomorrow, I'm gonna think na lang of something else. Siguro maghimo lang siguro kung ay, nagpahatag yan Tita Mary og brownies di ay last night. Thank you kaayo Tita Mary. So yeah, I think that's it. Gonna give them the milk first. I'm gonna think dayon of what we're gonna eat for breakfast because Papa is still sleeping. It's already 9:45 in the morning. Tomorrow we'll have to wake up really early at around 6. Okay, 7:30. No one needs to be in school na. And then yeah, I have to go with them. Although I have an afternoon shift after that. So, ilang papa lang magkuha sa ilaha in the afternoon. But I'm so excited to ask them what happened in school. I will ask them tomorrow when I get back from work. But Sophia, I need to be there for Sophia pa for longer periods pa before I go to work. Because I have to help Sophia get settled in pa in the kindergarten. Although the teachers, they speak a little bit of English. Good job, teachers. So that's it. I need to go na. See you later. Drinking milk. You like it? Such babies, eh? So I just finished hanging all the laundry. Kana sila basa pa na because I did not include them anymore in the dryer. I also transferred na this one, the clothes rack. So I need to clean up again the other room. Okay, kuha naman siya. Free from all these clothes racks na from there. So anyway, kamay na lang man ang clean up. It's not too much ba. So I'm just waiting. I'm so hungry na. I already ate Tita Mary's brownies. Thank you, Tita Mary. It was so good. Very yummy. And I'm hungry. I want to eat na. Later, I don't know. What will I make man later? Eh? I'm just gonna prepare again the things for the kids, just making sure that everything's there na ba. Wala na ko'y malimtan. Because it'd be very hard na dayon after kay I have work na for 7 days straight and then only 1 day off after. O diba? Superhuman. So yeah, that's it. I will update you later on what we're gonna do. The sun is out. Maybe I will let the kids ride their bikes again outside. Para kapuyon ba? Sayo may matulog later because we had to wake up at 6 tomorrow. That's it. Till laters. By the way, like that ba? Those boxes over there. Dugyot kita na no? But ang amo manggong kuan storage area is in the attic. Musaka pa ka sa taas ba? I don't want to do that anymore. Sige lang kay it's just us here in the house man. We don't entertain kanang outside guests as well. Kay gamay raman among space. This one they todo kani nga clothes rack ba kay kilid na siya leaning towards the this side. So sige lang magamit pa man. Mahal mo kayong clothes rack here in Germany ay kanang drying ba? For drying, it's so expensive. I don't know why. As in, maabot yun siya og mga more than 10 euros. Diba? Expensive. Anyway, I will eat na. So, I originally wanted to go to sleep pa. But after feeding the kids, I thought I can make myself more productive. So, I prepared na lang the 5 days of school na nila clothes. Nakaset na ni. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for Aya. And this is for Sophie. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, hope it all goes well. I'm gonna open the other window bit para init yung ay grabe ka init. Makaluya ang panahon. So Noah is still in the toilet. So we cannot go out yet. And Sophie is still drawing mansad. So wala gid tayo mabuhatan. Masad ko nag-arrange. I'm gonna get Noah's bag na lang from outside and arrange things because I think he needed the this to have extra shirts ba, extra shirt, extra, although Noah is man ba kanang may pagka-usil ni Noah ay kana bitong artike siya nga doesn't want to get dirty and so just a precaution. And then a jacket as well. Kani kaha rain jacket kaha. Ay kanang jacket ba nga pwede sa pwede rain, pwede because I already packed as well for Sophie for cold weather kaha. For rain na lang kay rainy pa man karon. Rainy ang summer this this year. Pero may na lang kaysa sobra kainit. Always sobra kainit yun ay as in. That's why I don't like to go out. Ang sulod man good ka insulated the houses ba here in Germany. Kung init sa gawas, ma-regulate niya sa sulod kay bali bugnaw ra. And if bugnaw kay sa sulod, ay sa gawas kanang dili kayo bugnaw sa sulod. So di ba? Amazing technology. Unsa pa man akong buhaton ay na I will find things to do. Kay pero katulgon yung kay ko matulog sa kudayon no. So anyway, I'll update later. So originally we just left the bag of Noah outside. So I checked again and he got this. He got a Zuckertüte from his teacher. Thank you, teacher. The name of the teacher is Frau bar. Thank you, teacher. And inside his sukar tuta is the chocolate. There's chocolates. No, thank you, teacher. Ay, very nice. Mukha teacher. Ay. And the bambina as well. And then there are a little, kuan ba? Kanang tashan book. Si tashan book. Murag. What's a tashan book? Pocket books. Tashan book. About richtiges verhalten under Verkehrsampel. That means the right attitude or behavior at the traffic light. Oh, this is so nice. Oh. So we will read that to Aya later. Oh, we'll keep this one. It's so nice. It says, Alles Gute zum ersten Schultag. So, good luck on your first school day. Wow. Very good, can teacher. And then, I opened the other pocket and we found this one. It's, kuan ba? Murag Jolin. But it's for good luck, so we'll just keep it here in his kuan pocket. And then, we also found a lot of different documents here. Mama. Okay. Sophie is cutting a bird. Sophie was able to cut her bird. Yay! Congratulations, baby. Are you happy? Yeah. Good job. Wow, so nice that one. Okay. So Aya has a sport Gutschein. So it's a Gutschein gani. Basta kanang murag imong freebies worth 50 euro. 50 euro. 50 euros of Gutschein. Siguro kung magpa-register or unsa kalangan na ay bayad ba unya discount card ni. And then we have the Mitaylong over abholong betroyong or buskin. So we need to tell the teacher if they are gonna be picked up or are they gonna go to the hort. Hort is the betroyong for the after school ba, or if the kid is riding the bus. So it says here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're gonna specify if the kid is belong to the hort or is he gonna go home after the class or after eating. At what time is he gonna go to the house alone? What time? So until 1 o'clock ba siya i-pick up, or is he gonna ride the bus alone? And then what is this? Additional documents, information about the mother, the father in case of emergency, who can pick up the kids, the insurance that we have, health insurance I mean. Oh, so kuan. So it's an option if they're gonna go home right after class or eat lunch there. So what is this? For the sports so it says here, for security reasons, pants with knopfen, buttons, and rise for shoes, that means zippers, are not allowed. Oh, they have kuan so sports attire, long sports attire. So I need to know when is this. So they need to bring water bottles. So we'll have to read. And this is the letter from Frau Bar, the teacher, about the books, the assignment, notebook, student plan, and there's Elternabend next month.
Mama.
Yes. Oh, is that a squirrel? So cute, the squirrel, my love. So, next month na, I already applied for the singalan anak. I already applied for the Elternabend sa kuan for Sophia, but for Noah, I didn't know it's okay. So this one, what's inside Aya's bag di ay? So we have books, hardcover ni siya. I think they need to bring this every day, because this is what they're gonna read. Nas like A, E, I, O, U, I, Ow, Fa, Be, Cash, like that. Sa ato sa Philippines, no, it's just A, E, I, O, U. But here they have I, Ow, Oi, like that. And they have this for writing, and this is the workbook. The workbooks ba about writing as well. Unya, nakakuana sila, naka-calligraphy na. Hindi, urban ka ba mag-calligraphy? Sino? Like this ba, oh? Naka-calligraphy. It's okay. Then they also have these books for Lismal. That means for reading. There's 1 and 2. Number 1 is a duck and number 2 is the frog. They're just gonna learn how to read and understand its reading comprehension and drawing as well. Oh, it's a kid. Wow.
It's like shaking the tail, right?
Yeah, come here, show them your squirrel. Squirrel, so cute squirrel. Wow.
Moving the tail.
Moving the tail. Good job. And then here's Umweltfreunde. That's for their science book. Here they're gonna. Oh, there's more. Sophie's gonna do the snail again. Okay. Here Noah is gonna put the about science ni siya. What are they gonna put on? Oh, is this about science? No? Yeah, I think this one is for science book. And then what else are they gonna do? This is the English book. 1 to fun. So during the Einschulung ba, the ceremony, the welcome and presentation ceremony for the grade 1 students, they sing and dance to head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. So we're actually very thankful that they have their English class during the first grade, because before they don't have it. They teach the English class to grade 3, grade 4 students. Now they started at grade 1, which is good, very good yun, as in. And then Aya also has math books. He has 2. The other one is the Arbeitshefte, or the workbook. And then this one is the Schulbuch, or the school book. So they will learn how to determine shapes, count, addition, subtraction, greater than, less than. Okay. Very basic. No one knows how to add and subtract na. We learned already here at home, but we'll try to see if he still remembers. Anyway, we don't put pressure on him. Just want him to enjoy. Okay, and Aya also has these na. I already explained to him what's inside. Hope he can remember. This is for the colored pencils, the pencils and the pens, the ruler as well, the eraser.
Yeah, so show them how to do it.
Show them how to do the ruler.
You can color, but you cannot see it. So
Yeah.
look, you can do this.
Longer. You can
Longer.
make it longer. That's right. Good job. So you can measure, no?
Yeah.
Good job. Now I still have to look for the sharpener. So for Aya's sharpener,
Yeah.
because diba, it was a pack, but then I forgot where I placed the sharpener. Anyway, at least we already prepared for everything. So what else does Aya have? We bought this another kuan because the free from the bag is so small. So here's inside the kuan kanang colored pens, the felt tip pens, and then the sharpener. What is this? So the scissors. The sharpener, the big one which cannot fit in the other one, glue. We'll just have to place them here. Now where's the name of Aya? There on the side. So what else is in Aya's bag? His water bottle. Oh, we need to put the name of Aya here. We forgot.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll have to put the stickers there. Balik sa ni nato sa original sa iyang bag. This bag di ay ba which we bought from Amazon. Butang na namo iyahang iyahang mga dinosaurs. This bag, compared to the bags of the other kids at school, na-shock pa ito because I thought, pare-parehas man silang bags or uniform kailang bags. Although uniform gid inani gid siya. Mo gini ang requirement for the kids. However, I was shocked ba nga, hala, pare-parehas sila og brands. When I looked it up online, how much is it? About €200. My goodness, we cannot afford that one. Sila na lang na. Because I believe this brand is also a good brand, so it's okay. Kunya, kuan pa gid niya siya kanang abton o grade 4 if maabot og grade 4. So we still don't know. We'll wait and see. And then what else? Pero grabe no, about €200. If kuha na siya times 60, 2,000. Nay naka-sale ani sa kuan sa Kaufland. It's only around €60. Pero depende lagi because of the design as well. Kato kay Harry Potter na. Okay lang ta if fan of Harry Potter ang bata, no? And the
Harry Potter, the one like
magic.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then okay lang unta. Ang the other one for girls is the BB and so to siya. Nabitong girl nga ganahan og horse. So mora ang available po nga designs. Na okay lang ta og ganahan ang kids sa inadto. And then this one, Aya really likes the dinosaurs man gyud. Oh. It's a dinosaur design and it's from Herlitz. Hopefully it will last long. Somebody rang our bell and it was our neighbors, Steffi and Herschmidt. Thank you. They gave Aya the sugar toothpaste. And then, unfortunately, Aya was still in the toilet. That's why he was not able to say thank you personally. And then he got money as well. Look at, that's €5. Wow, lucky boy. That's money. Let's put it in Aya's wallet. Hey, you're not supposed to open it because it's Aya's.
I'm just calling it like it's a rope.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Herschmidt and Stephanie. It was so sweet of you. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Yeah. You need to say thank you to Stephanie and her Schmidt, okay? Okay, that's why when you see them, you also have to greet them. Why you say hello or guten tag.
Mama.
No, come here.
Mama.
Yes.
I love you.
I love you, baby. Sit down. Yay! You want to open it?
Should I?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it. Oh. Okay, you can open it.
You need to remove this one. This one is for yours. That's €5.
Oh, wow.
Go on. You can buy though anything you want,
Mama.
said Steffi.
Mama,
Mm.
my old wallet is the panda one, right?
No, your old wallet is the kuan.
No, the
I will
one,
show it to you.
the panda one when we were at the Philippines.
Yeah, that's from Tita Angel, the panda ones. But inside that one is our coins lang. So for the paper money, you have your own wallet over there. I will show it to you. You forgot about it. It's the Paw Patrol wallet, I think.
Okay.
So look at.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, that's why it looks like sand.
Oh, I show.
Can I dump it?
Yeah. Okay. Aya has Haribo.
I'm gonna dump it.
Okay, Aya is
In
gonna
three,
dump it.
two,
2, 1,
one.
go. Wow, so many. The Smarties, Knoppers. Wow.
There's still a little bit
Mamba. Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, there's more Haribo. Wow.
Told you there was a little bit more.
Yeah, thank you, Steffi. Thank you, Herschmidt. Lucky boy. Such a lucky boy. Okay, let's keep this one, the Zucker Tute. Ay, bless you. Oh, bless you. Wow, so lucky man this boy. Oy. Hello, oy, Steffi and Herschmidt. Thank you so much. No, ay, very sweet neighbors man sila, oy. Very nice ma. Oh,
Bless you. Bless you.
bless you, bless
Bless
you.
you.
Uy, Aya, did you know that your teacher put a lot of things inside your bag?
No.
The teacher placed all these documents inside your bag. She checked all your things.
Oh, but can I open this one?
Yeah, and that's also from your teacher.
Oh. Should I dump it?
Yeah.
Or too fast?
Aya got this one, the fashion book. This is, look at, oh, it says how to behave at the traffic light. If it's red, if it's green, how do you know where to look at, left and right, like that. Oh, Aya is so lucky, a lucky boy. Here, we're gonna put it inside. We're gonna keep this. Oh my god, I'm so touched. I'm so happy.
I think this is this.
I decided to water the plants.
Because
There.
we haven't watered them in a while.
That's right, and the plants need water because it's too hot.
Yeah. It's literally almost the summer.
Yeah,
Almost done with summer.
almost
Should I
done with
water
some.
these ones too?
Yeah,
Because it's a cactus.
yeah. Thank you. Be careful there, huh? Okay, Sophie is here to help.
You're doing a video.
Okay.
I already knew you were doing a video. I already watered that one, but I guess you can. Just a little bit, so you're wasting a little bit of them. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna water this one. Just a bit, just a bit.
Not a lot, okay?
Left, hers around. Yeah.
Done.
Getting more. It's a
Not
hot.
anymore, it's done na.
This one first, too.
Because it's already gone na.
Oh.
Well, you need to be careful.
I'm gonna watch Korea.
Do we still have another plant on the other side?
Yeah. This one too.
Careful.
We don't have other plants at the other side. This one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, not too much, huh? Kaya the plants will drown.
Yes.
Grow well, plants. Grow well.
Wow, our plants look so brown now.
Brown?
Yeah.
Don't look so brown. The other ones only. Because the other parts are dead na. The other parts are still growing. Oh. Okay, we're done na.
Now we have to dump that in the
Yeah.
faucet.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Bye.
I told the kids to arrange their
Looking at
beds.
the other spot.
Good job arranging, Aya. Even the stuffed toys or the animals that you have. Mr. Polar Bear is under the blanket. How about Sophie? Show me your bed now, Sophie.
Look.
Sophie is eating her ice cream. She arranged it now. Wow.
And I also put my teddy bear over there.
Oh, hi, Teddy.
Mama,
Yeah, that's right.
Mama, it's so empty but kind of roomy. But Mama, I also arranged Sophie's toys.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, good job. Good arranging. See, you have to do that every day.
Oh.
Don't leave your bed very chaotic, very messy. Always arrange them properly.
If
Yeah,
I'm hot, I don't need my cupboard. Just add some cold.
that's right.
You know what Minecraft is with a blanket?
What?
Burning hot! Put lava! And then with no blanket. So cold, but ice!
Gonna eat na ay. Gonna eat na. Good job. Good job. Good job.
It's so ice. Catch it, okay? While it's going.
Papa will fix the other one.
Catch it.
Oh,
Oh, it was not properly, so this is bad.
oopsie. Basta start lang siya mo andar, then ang kuha na dili na dayon siya.
It's not supposed to be clicked together.
Ah,
Yeah. Or it will stop.
okay.
If it's clicked together, it will stop.
I think it's best, I will make a kuan there, be.